Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer music MP3 files to AMAZFIT Active Max storage. So first, we need to go over to the Zepp app. Now we need to open it and wait for it to load. Then we want to go to Device and scroll down until you guys see Device Application Settings. Here we will have the music. Now we need to make sure that our watch is connected to the Wi-Fi, but after this setup it definitely is. So basically it got the same network than our phone. We need to go over here, and then after we go to music we need to click on add. Now let me find it. I have it on my device right here in the downloads. So this is what I want to use, the shape of view. Here I want to click transfer, and now it's transferring. As you guys can see, we cannot leave this right now. As you guys can see, we need to keep the screen on during transfer and do not exit the current page. So we're waiting for our song to be transferred. It's only one song, so it shouldn't take long. So now the transfer is done. What can we do now is go over to the apps by clicking this button right here up top and go straight to music. Now as you guys can see, we got the shape of view right here. So this is exactly the file that we have downloaded, and now it is on our AMAZFIT Active Max. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.